Bitcoin just hit just a little under 63,000. Are we going up higher than this, or are we going to roll over down to lower levels? That's what I'm going to talk about in this video. And then I'm going to talk about a few trade plans. We're going to go into the members area and show a few of our members and their trades that have been taken. If you're interested in making money with Bitcoin and crypto, this is the video for you. Let's talk about it. Hey everybody, this is Joel with the Crypto Code here. Hope you guys are doing well. Today I want to talk about the price of Bitcoin. We're going to talk about some trades that we've been taking, and we're talking about some of our trade plans and kind of and we're going to look at some altcoins as well. So big congratulations to our members who have been taking trades. Our trade plans have been doing amazingly well. Make sure you guys are taking profits along the way. Remember, before you ever take a trade, you need to know the answer to these 3 questions. And by the way, we have a free risk calculator that you can use. Go to thecryptocode.com/risk. The 3 questions before you ever buy or sell crypto is this. Number 1, where will I enter the trade? Where will I enter the price? That's my entry. Number 2, where will I exit if it goes against me, if the price goes against me? That is called your stop loss. And number 3, where will you exit if the price goes for you? If you know the answer to those 3 questions, then take the trade. If you don't know the answer to those 3 questions, well, watch this video. We'll talk about it. So Bitcoin just hit, let me put this on a 4-hour chart, get to the 4-hour chart so you guys can see this. So we just hit above our golden pocket of 62,639. We've had a nice run up here the last several days. On the 1-day chart here, we started with a nice bullish divergence. So we had a lot of volatility at the beginning of this month. Price crashed down to 57,000, a little mid 57,000, and then has since gone to do a nice pump up. Like I said, we're at 62,548 at the time of me making this video. Now remember, crypto goes up, crypto goes down. It goes in waves. It doesn't go up in a straight line and it doesn't go down in a straight line. It waves, and we make money on the volatility of those waves, depending on what style of trading that you want to do. Whether you want to be a long-term swing trader, whether you want to be a long-term investor, whether you want to do multi-day trading, or you want to do same-day trading. And you can make money in either direction, both going long or short. Kind of depends on what you want to do and your risk tolerance. So I'm going to talk about a couple things here in this video, and then we'll try to keep this one a little brief today. It is 4th of July weekend, so if you guys are celebrating 4th of July, congratulations, 250 years. I wear this hat like all year long. If you guys watch enough of my videos, I wear this hat quite often. So it's something that I love. I love our country and I love our freedoms. And it's amazing. It's amazing what we can do with this country and with our freedoms. And I'm just really blessed to be part and be a U.S. citizen. So no matter where you are in the world, you're in the right place. And that's actually one thing that I love about crypto. Getting off a little side tangent here. I love the freedom of crypto. If you really look at Bitcoin, Bitcoin is decentralized. Nobody can control it. Nobody can own it. And it's open to anybody. Yes, of course, there's rules and regulations. There's things that the EU is doing now and blah, blah, blah. But that's not going to really affect Bitcoin. There's different things that you can do. No one can control it. They can't stop it. And until they embrace it, until they embrace crypto, well, they're gonna get left behind in the dust. So you'll see that as crypto gets more adopted throughout the world, it's going to get bigger and bigger and bigger. And right now is the opportunity to get in now. And speaking of opportunity, right now is the best time to be into crypto. Right now, you get about this opportunity about every 4 years, and right now is the best time. Most people will come to me and say, when Bitcoin is pumping up and we've been up, when you're up to 126,000, Joel, should I buy Bitcoin now or should I be buying now? And I'm like, no, we're selling Bitcoin now, because we bought Bitcoin at 15,500, 17,000 in the last cycle here, and now we're selling Bitcoin because we have our chart called the TCC Cycle Pro that lets us know in these cycle windows when to buy and when to sell. By the way, if you want to learn how to do this, go down in the description of our video. You can register for a workshop. We'll teach you all about TCC Cycle Pro. We'll teach you about our trade plans, how you can make money in the markets, whether markets are going up or down. You don't have to wait for the 4-year cycles. You can wait for the 4-year cycles. Kind of really depends on what you want to do in crypto. Okay, back to Bitcoin, and then we'll look at a couple altcoins here. and then we'll go into our members area and just show a few of our members what they've been doing lately. So again, remember guys, cycles. We are in a cycle and we are not at the bottom. And I'm going to be really, really clear about that. Now, that's not to say that we're close to the bottom, but we are creating these bottoming patterns here. The issue is, time cycle wise, we're not quite there yet. So could this be a bottom? This could be a bottom, a local bottom. Will we go up higher from here? Absolutely, we can go up higher from here. In fact, right now, if I range up to here, we hit this nice demand zone at the 57,735 range, and now we're bouncing up back up to our ribbon here. So we're just about to hit 63,000. We just hit this area. We could bounce back down and roll over. We could come back up here to 66,000, or we could hit this next demand zone at 73,000. Now, if we do hit that demand zone of 73,000, then that would change the picture a little bit. I think high probability is that we play here in this area before we roll over even further down into 54,000 range, 52,000 to 54, down to 50,000 range between September and January 2027. Now, historically, buying in this range, you are in an area where historically buying in this range can definitely be a good thing in the long term. Come back 2 to 3 years later. I'm not telling you to buy at these levels. You're a big boy, you're a big girl, you can make your own decisions. But I have already started buying Bitcoin in these areas for my long-term holdings. However, as we get into this window between September to January, more likely than not, we're going to go a little bit lower. We are already in a structural floor, but we could definitely go down through these ranges. Anywhere from 29,000 up to 50,000 is what I'm eyeing. If we get down there, great. I'm going to buy some more. And obviously Black Swan, 21,000 up to 27,000 are the ranges that we're looking at. It's a beautiful way to trade. If you just pull back and look at the cycles, you buy below the line, you sell above the line. Buy below the line, sell above the line. Buy below the line, sell above the line. This works with Bitcoin. It works with altcoins as well. Let's take a look at a couple altcoins. By the way, let me take a time out for a minute. And some of you might be wondering, if you just got here to the channel, what do you guys do exactly? We teach people how to make money in crypto, whether you want to be a long-term investor or whether you want to trade intraday, you want to day trade. We teach people how to make money at any time in the market. So if you go to trade.thecryptocode.com, you can see our public trade record. You can see the trades that we call out. These are the trades after we've called them out. Our members get these first. You can get into our Telegram group by clicking up here, and you see when we make these calls. And then you can come up here and see these trades. So for example, July 1st, we called out this XRP trade that answers the 3 questions. Where will I enter the trade? Where will I exit if I hit my stop loss? That's your stop loss. Number 3, where will I exit if I hit my take profit? And XRP played out beautifully, and so far it's done a 12.89% profit. Congratulations, it's hit 3 take profits. Got 1 more to go. Will it hit it? Very, very possible. You can see several other trades have hit their nice take profit levels. This has been a very, very profitable time in crypto right now. And you can see anything that says invalidated means that it didn't hit its level. By the way, you can click here and you can actually see why the trade was called and what the levels were. So our members do get these trades, and we also show where the stop losses are as well. So you can go back historically and see our trade calls. So it's been awesome and amazing. And if you stick around with me for a few minutes, I'm going to go into the members area and I'll show you what some of our members have been doing. All right, so let's go ahead and look at a few altcoins, and we'll pull up here on the TCC Cycle Pro chart. We'll take a look at some of them. So let's look at Ethereum. So Ethereum right now has had a nice bounce up to 1,759. Just a few days ago it was at 100. What was the low here? It was at 1,505. And as I've been saying, we've been in the deep support zone. We've been in the buy zones here. We've been in the deep support zone. And yeah, we're going to probably have a bounce. Another area of high, if that 2,000 is definitely, we could come up to 1,842. We just broke into this area here, but more likely than not, we're going to trend up. If we start trending and we turn green, that would be the time to consider entering into Ethereum. We are in the deep support zone right here. Could we go lower? Absolutely, we could go lower. But many times Ethereum will bottom out before Bitcoin. It has in the past. And we could see, some nice upside right now from Ethereum. We've seen a lot of altcoins pumping. We've seen a lot of altcoins doing some pretty good things the last several days. But that's not to say we can't go down to these lower levels, down to 1259, down into 1,000, even down to 702. Now, if we went to 702, that would be bad for Ethereum. It would go down lower than it ever has been. Solana is starting to have a nice breakout as well. Congratulations if you guys have been getting into Solana. We've been talking about how we've been deep into the deep support zone here at, what did we get to? About 60 on the low side, and we've already pumped up to about 82,000. So we've had a breakout, and I think it's very possible, we're going to take a look, that we could be flipping green here anytime soon, very soon here in Solana. This will probably come up here and do a back test, and then we're going to print a green dot here on our indicator, and then we're going to start to flip green. And this would be time to consider it to get into Solana if you're not already into Solana. I'm not saying to buy it right now. Let me show you how this worked. For example, on Hype. On Hype, if you would have gotten into Hype when it flipped green, you could have got into these areas here at 28, into 20. When we flipped right here specifically into 32, you would have risen this up all the way up to $7.88. And it is still continuing to, it's continuing with the trend. And Hype, who knows how much higher Hype will go. Hype's been a great performer this time. ADA, let's take a look at ADA. Now ADA, as if you saw my last video, Cardano, ADA got to its lowest point that it has ever gotten to, besides maybe when it launched, but for many years. And it's had a nice little run right here from when we talk with this nice demand zone right here. How much run have we done up there? Let's take a look at that really quick. We've done a nice 30% pump in ADA. Now that's not to say it's not going to roll back over and go further, but we talked about this 2 days ago, that we were in a nice deep zone here. More likely when you buy below the line, it's going to flip up and you're going to get some kind of run up. Now, how much, we couldn't say. Let's look at a couple more here. Here's Ondo. Ondo's a new one. Ondo had been in a really nice run up, flip green. Great when it flipped green here. Let's see how much you went up. That went up about to the top here, 80%. Now it's starting to show signs that might be struggling again, and we may be flipping back over in Ondo. I want to look at Zcash really quick, and let's look at Zcash really quick. That is one that we recently started to flip gray, so we've had a nice run up on Zcash. We called this out here when we flipped green in this area here. You could have got in for a nice 117% pump, but now we're starting to struggle here in Zcash. We're starting to show signs that we're flipping red again here. We've flipped to gray, so more likely not, it's going to come back down in here and flip gray. So I'd be careful of Zcash. And then let's go look at one more. Jupiter, JUP. We actually looked at this one the other day, and so we just flipped green into Jupiter right here on June 23rd or so, and we've continued kind of to trend up a little bit. So we'll see on these guys when we flip green. Jupiter's, like, these are risky altcoins, so be really careful of these. Actually, I want to do one more. Let's look at BNB real quick. BNB, and if you guys have any requests, you guys want me to look at any altcoins, let me know. We'll be happy to look these up. Our members get these. They get a nice dashboard that looks like this, that tells them when something flips green, when something flips red, and so they get instant email notifications and notifications inside of our forums. So BNB has had a nice bounce off this value zone in here, and we're still red, but more likely than not, if we come up here, we might be able to start turning this green again, but it's possible we roll back down and we head back down to these lower levels. Again, myself personally, I wait until we start to flip green before I ever get into any altcoins and even a majority of my Bitcoin. So that's how that works. Let's take a quick look at our member forum here and highlight a few of our members who have been taking trades. Here we go. Of course, every day Ryan posts, congratulations, ETH 65x long for 32% gain. You are crushing it, Ryan. Congratulations. Remember, when you're looking at these trades, guys, people take trades with a trade plan. They're following our trade plans and they're using proper risk management with these. So don't just take these trades because you see a guy on the internet. You need to actually learn how to do this. Here's an Ondo short. JS, Josiah, congratulations on your Ondo short. And you can see some more. A Tau long, 5.4%. Timothy Johnson, congratulations, Timothy. Thank you for posting your win. Link 50x long, again, of course, for Ryan. Congratulations, Ryan. You guys are crushing it. So several more in there. Guys, I want to congratulate all of our members who have been posting in there. If you want to learn what we do here at the Crypto Code, you can head on over and go register for a workshop. If you go to thecryptocode.com/workshop, you can go in and register for a free workshop. You can learn what we do here at the Crypto Code, how we do our trade plans, how we make money with crypto, whether we're long-term investing, whether we're trading, both long and short. If you want the real deal of how to make consistent income in crypto, consistent profit, how to actually trade with a plan, how to size up your trades properly, how to use proper risk management, then go register for that workshop. We'll actually send you 3 gifts as well. When you register for that workshop, we'll give you $10 in Bitcoin to stay to the end and take a short quiz at the end. We give you a free weekly trade setup as well. And we give you a free trading plan, trade plan indicator. It's the same indicator that I use on my trades. It's this indicator. Well, you get a light version of this indicator. So if you go to our trade plans and you come in here, you'll get a light version of the indicator. Our premium indicator, which comes with, if you join the Crypto Code, comes with everything that you see right here, has the risk calculator. You get all access to all the trade plans as they come out for our members as well. Alrighty, guys, this is Joel with the Crypto Code. If you guys have any questions for me, put them down in the comments below. We answer every single question. Make sure you're subscribed if you want more content like this. And this is the best time to be in crypto. When everyone is discouraged, when it's down so much, this is the time. Right now is the time to be paying attention. Don't wait. Don't wait until Bitcoin gets up to, 100,000 before you get into crypto, or 120,000. Don't be that person. You want to be in when it's down low. You want to be in when people are calling it a scam. You want to be in when people are discouraged about it. That is the time to get into crypto. We are in that window right now. So do the opposite of the herd. This is the time. This is Joel with the Crypto Code. As always, take massive action in your life at anything you do. Make sure you're always trading with a plan. We'll see you on the next one, guys. Bye-bye. Hey, if you liked that video, there's another one right here. You can click on it and learn more about what we do. Also, you can go down in the description of this video, get a free risk calculator. You can check out our workshop. You can check out all the resources here at the Crypto Code. If you want content that's going to teach you how to finally be profitable in crypto, trading, investing, hit the like, subscribe, turn on the bell notification, and we'll see you guys in the video. And if you have questions, comment down below. We answer every single one. Take care, guys.